Hello everyone and welcome back to Migi Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna draw the Grinch. The first step is to make the eyes. Make a circle and then the eyebrow with some points at the top. A smaller circle in the eye. Let's go to the other eyebrow and the other eye. Three tips. Make a small line between them. The nose, like three small circles. Then let's go to the smile. So start at the bottom from a point and then going up till the mid-height of the eyes. Then another line quite close to the smile, and then the cheeks. And now we move to the hat. Now we move to the body. So we make the neck. In one hand, he's holding a gift. So make it pointing upward. Let's draw the hand. The fingers should be long and sharp. Then a box. Now let's make the belly. The other arm. The hand is closed with one finger pointing upwards. Now the legs. One crossing the other, like he's walking very carefully. Now let's do the Christmas tree. To start from the top with a star. And the base of the tree. But in this case, there are no gifts under the tree because the Grinch has taken all of them. And that's it, we're done. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and remember, new draw lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. See you!